Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So as you must have guessed by the title of this video is going to be about my two favorite hairstyles that I have been doing a lot during this quarantine, the whole pandemic at stay at home situation. Without wasting much time, let's just get started. So first thing first, you have to make sure that your hair is tangle free. So we are going to brush our hair. Quickly move on to the first hairstyle, which is my top bun. And doing top bun is very easy. So all you have to do is pull your hair down. So pull your hair down and comb all the hairs towards your crown. Like this. Now you have all of your hair up. I'm going to smoothen out the hair from all the sides. Now I'm going to secure it with a hairband so that it doesn't move. You have two options. If your hair is longer than me, you can just tie the same hair like a bun and you are good to go. But if you have shorter hair or hair of my length, then you can use the donuts, the bun donuts. This is the one I have. All you have to do is put it in your hair like this. Spread your hair around it. Take a hair tie and just put it on the top of your bun like this. Then you can wrap all of your hair around your bun like this and use pin to secure your hair. All we have to do is now fix the flyaways and make it look more sleeker from here. So for that I'm going to be using L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray. This has recently launched in India and it made me so happy because I remember buying it from Dubai when I went there around 4 years ago. Now that they have launched it in India, I was so happy and I picked the small beautiful travel size spray bottle because it is very easy to carry, and I'm carrying it to my mom's place because I knew that I will be needing it for my everyday hairstyles. You know how baby hair sometimes can be really annoying. I have a lot on hair here. I'm going to spray it on my hair. It has a micro diffusion technology, and then I like to comb it with my fingers, like my hands, like this. And what you can do apart from that, you can take a spoolie brush. Spoolie brush is your eyebrow brush basically. Apply a little bit of hairspray on it and then comb your baby hair upwards. Now you can take a closer look at my no flyaways sleek bun, and I'm really happy with how it looks. And this is my favorite all-time favorite hairstyle. So now that we are done with hairstyle number 1, let's quickly move on to hairstyle number 2, which is equally easy. So I have just applied the hairspray and I have just opened my hair, and you can see I'm able to run my fingers through my hair very easily without any problem, and it smells really nice. It just refreshes the hair. So the next hairstyle is also going to be a really quick one. Start sectioning your hair. Take your thumbs, section your hair above your ears to the crown area and like this, and then take a hair tie and tie your hair and then divide it into half and pull it on both the sides like this. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. It gives your face a height, and then if you have broad forehead, this will look really nice. Now that the hairstyle is done, I'm going to just quickly take care of the flyaways and also smoothen out this area a little bit. So I'm going to spray L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray. So this is hairstyle number 2. And since we have used Elnet Satin Hairspray, the hairstyle will look like this throughout the day. It will not move. It will not make your hair crunchy, but it will keep them in place the entire day. So I'm going to check out and we'll check back after a few hours to show you how my hair looks. So I'm checking in after 2 hours. So I was filming a video. That's why change of clothes and makeup looks a bit different as well. So as you can see, my hair still looks pretty nice and there are no flyaways and nothing. So I think you should have L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin Hairspray in your beauty kit because it's a must-have for me at least. And you are getting 75 ml here and it's priced at just 250 rupees. And you do not really have to wash your hair next day because it doesn't make your hair scrunchy. And it keeps them tamed and the flyaways at bay. And this is the best hairspray I have used so far. And the main reason is because it doesn't make my hair stiff and scrunchy, and also it smells really nice. So if you want to buy L'Oreal Paris Elnet Hairspray, do not forget to check out the description box. I'm going to leave a link there, and it's available on all the major e-commerce websites in India. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.